You think newer trucks are easier to fix, more advanced, more reliable, built to last longer than ever. But what if I told you most mechanics secretly hate 2026 trucks? Not because they're bad at their job, but because these trucks are designed in a way that makes even simple repairs a nightmare. And if mechanics hate them, you probably should too. Here's the reality nobody tells you. You're not buying a truck anymore. You're buying a rolling computer network. Dozens of control modules, miles of wiring, software controlling everything from your throttle to your headlights. And when something goes wrong, it's not a repair. It's a diagnosis puzzle. Old trucks had problems you could see. A leak, a noise, a broken part. New trucks, they fail silently. A sensor glitches. A module miscommunicates. A line of code throws everything off. And suddenly, your truck goes into limp mode. Or worse, won't start at all. No obvious reason. Just a message on a screen. Now imagine being the mechanic. You can't just fix it. You have to scan it. Interpret codes. Check software versions. Verify communication between modules. Sometimes, the problem isn't even real. It's a false signal. And that's where the frustration begins. Because modern trucks don't just have one system. They have systems talking to systems, talking to other systems. One failure spreads fast. A faulty $30 sensor can trigger a chain reaction across the entire truck. Transmission errors, engine warnings, shutdown protocols, all from one tiny glitch. And the mechanic? Stuck chasing ghosts. Hours of labor. No clear answer. And here's the part that makes it worse. Access. Most 2026 trucks are locked behind manufacturer software. You need special tools, paid subscriptions, dealer-level access. Without it, you're guessing. Independent mechanics are getting pushed out because they literally can't access the systems they need to repair. So where do you end up? The dealership. Higher labor rates, longer wait times, limited options, and you pay the price. Now let's talk about something most people ignore. Updates. Modern trucks receive software updates just like your phone. Sounds good, right? Until an update breaks something. Yes, that happens. A system update can create new issues, disable features, cause compatibility problems with existing components. And when that happens, the mechanic didn't break it. You didn't break it. But you still have to fix it. And fixing software problems isn't cheap. We're talking hundreds, sometimes thousands, for something you can't even see. Here's a real-world scenario. Your truck hits 60,000 miles, out of warranty. A warning light pops up. You take it in. Diagnosis. Communication failure between modules. Fix? Replace a control unit. Reprogram the system. Update software. Total cost? $2,000 to $4,000. Not because parts are expensive, but because complexity is. Now ask yourself, does that sound like a machine built for durability or a system designed to keep you dependent? And that's the villain in this story. Complexity for control. The more complex the truck, the less control you have. Manufacturers don't just build trucks anymore. They build ecosystems, closed systems, where they decide how repairs happen, who can perform them, and how much they cost. And mechanics? They're stuck in the middle, trying to fix machines that don't want to be fixed. That's why they hate them. Not because they're lazy, but because the rules changed. And nobody told the owner. Now here's the breaking point. The moment you realize your truck isn't designed to be repaired easily anymore. It's designed to be managed, serviced, updated, controlled. That's a completely different mindset. So what can you actually do about it? There's something I call the simplicity advantage. Smart truck owners already use it. Here's how it works. Step 1. Avoid first-year models. New generation trucks always come with hidden issues, software bugs, unrefined systems. Give it time. Let the problems surface and get fixed. Step 2. Choose lower trims when possible. More features, more systems. More systems, more failure points. That massive touchscreen? That advanced driver assist? All potential problems later. Step 3. Stick to proven engines and platforms. Don't chase new. Chase, tested. Reliability comes from time, not marketing. Step 4. Find a mechanic with advanced diagnostic capability. Not all shops are equal anymore. You need someone who understands software, not just hardware. Step 5. Keep a repair buffer. If you own a modern truck, expect higher repair costs. Plan for it, because surprises are expensive. Here's the truth. Smart owners aren't impressed by flashy tech. They're aware of its cost. They understand the trade-off. Convenience for control, features for complexity, and they choose carefully. Because they know something most buyers don't. The more advanced your truck becomes, the harder it is to fix, the more expensive it is to own, and the less control you actually have. So next time you hear someone say, "New trucks are better," ask them one question. Better for who? Because mechanics already know the answer. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. And here's what most people still haven't realized. The next generation of trucks is going even further, where independent repairs might not be possible at all.